Hey everybody, how you doing now? Gonna do a little cooking for you here. Gonna do up some Smoott skitty. Gonna do a little twist on the old ever popular spaghetti and meatballs kind of thing. Smoott style. Stick with me. Alrighty people. I'm gonna make some Smoott skitty. Okay, first of all we take a frying pan, because if you put it on top of the stove you're gonna make a fucking mess. And I think we're all a little older than making fucking messes, aren't we? Okay, there we go. There's the frying pan. Now you gotta reach up here and you gotta turn the frying pan on. I mean that only makes sense, don't it? Right? Now you're gonna get a little butter in there. Butter, butter, butter. Now I know you all make spaghetti, well, just about everybody makes spaghetti and meat sauce the same way, or fairly close. Well, I'm going to show you a little different way of doing it. Kind of make you go, hey, I never thought of that. Or maybe a lot of you have tried it. I don't know. Fuck. This is the way I'm making it. This is my channel. I'm going to make it my way. How's that? Good. I hope you like that. Okay, you get your little bit of butter, and you get her all stirring up there. Then you give a little kiss for the gods. Okay, my butter's just starting to boil, bubble, whatever. Now, I use real butter because if you check into it, man, it's healthier than that fucking margarine bullshit. Okay, now, first thing I'm going to do, make my spaghetti sauce here, is yum yum. Okay, now what that is there is freshly diced celery and onions. It's kind of a thing that I bought at Walmart. It's already chopped up, and onions and celery, so all happy, so we'll run with it. And once that gets cooking a little bit, we're going to throw in a little bit of the mushy. See, oh look at that, isn't them fine? Mushroom, mushroom, mushroom. Ooh, ooh. It's a beautiful thing. Now I'm using a wooden spoon. This is one of the wooden spoons I stole from my mom years ago, because I was getting tired of it getting cracked across my ass and my head. I'll turn that up a little bit so she cooks a little quicker. That smells good already. Now what I got here is a can of chopped garlic. I'm supposed to use a tablespoon or two. Well, fuck it. Put the whole jar, well, it was about half a jar's worth. Fire that right in there. And I can get rid of the container. A little bit of sea salt, regular sea salt. It's healthy for you. Put in with that much. Now some of you are asking, how much was that? Well, it's just that much there that you seen me put in. So deal with it. There's no such thing as measuring when you're cooking with Smoott. Smash her in the frickin' pan. Let's get her cooking. Okay. They're starting to render down pretty good, so in goes the shrooms. Oh, yum. Yumina, yumina. Now, somewhere I got a lid for this son of a bitch. That's not the right lid, is it? Well, I wonder what. Oh, there it goes. Well, that's not it neither. What the fuck? Maybe we don't got a lid for that one. What kind of bullshit is that? Oh well. It'll work. Fuck it. So yeah, we're gonna let that cook for a minute, get the mushrooms starting to shrink down a little bit. And then I'll get some hamburger in there and we'll go from there. Oakley dokley. Set that off there. I don't know if you noticed this, well probably not, but Smoott running a new stove here. I bought myself a black stainless steel on black stove there the other day, just because I wanted one. Okay, now that's cooking there right nice. I'm gonna steam up my damn camera, but who cares? Now usually I use fresh lean ground beef, but today, after getting back from up in the bush and gone for the last 3 months, all I had was a fucking pound of frozen, so I had to nuke it and thaw it out a little bit before I slap her in here. So I'll smash that in there. And I'll cook that until the ground beef is all cooked, because we don't want to be eating no raw ground beast. Okay, now here, show you this. Granulated garlic. You know how Smoott likes his garlic. So we're going to get in there and we're going to throw a whole whack of that in there. That gonna make for good, that is. Spaghetti water. Get that cranked on right front. Let's get it right on high. Let's get some shit cooking. Okay, this is cooking. This is just about boiled here. Just about boiling. I'm gonna throw just a schmag of butter in there. Helps cook the noodles just right. Okay, now I've drained this. It was still pretty juicy, so I drained the piss out of that. Now, I know everybody puts tomato sauce or whatever in their spaghetti sauce. Well, Smoott, he's going to change it up here. He's going Alfredo and roast garlic sauce. So I'm just going to dump that right in there. I think we got some boiling water for our noodles. There we go. Now, where's our noodles at? A pair of scissors, cut them pricks open. Seeing as I was only Smoott dining tonight, I ain't going to make a whole bunch of macaroni there. Or whatever you call them, spiral. Just a few. I'm going to stir this all in. Look at that, ain't that looking goddamn fine. Alrighty. Now what I've got is put down a layer of noodles. Threw my yummy spaghetti sauce on the top of that. And then on the very top of that, I'm going to smash me a little kimchi for a little flavor and a little bit of spice. Stove's still hot here, so that's why it's sizzling. So, nice little schmag of kimchi, and there you go. A little twist on the everyday spaghetti and meat sauce. So I'm gonna go eat this while you guys sit there and wonder how that tastes. Oh, and it gives you gas because I have to do that. Okay, talk to y'all later.